Good morning, everyone. This is me, ALIRAZAMARKETING. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an SEO expert and owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here again with a new question, and the question is very important. So the question is for some of my really good keywords, Google is saying really showing a low quality score. How can I fix this? I created dedicated landing page for those keywords, optimized. What else can I do? Okay, so for those who don't know, I can show you what does it look like. Okay, just for instance, if there is any keyword specific or anything, you can just see a eligible, and once you see, you can see here ad isn't showing right now, quality score occasionally showing your ad, so these can be an issues. So okay, in this scenario the budget is issue you can see over here, but in other scenarios the issue can be really shown, or another thing as well. So how to sort out errors like this where you're really showing due to low quality score? Okay, but before I start, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Okay, so you created a dedicated landing page for those keywords. Okay, so here you created a dedicated landing page for all of your keywords or for those keywords. What do you mean by those keywords? If you, what I can suggest you is a better strategy is a STAG theme structure strategy, where you can have a different landing page for set of 5 to 6 or maximum 10 keyword. Okay, this can help with more personalization intent, so that if you, in case if you are doing it, very good thing. So optimized and your campaign as well into STAG single theme ad group structure as well. STAG means single theme ad group, or the better is SKAG single keyword ad group, but STAG is fine, so you can work with STAG. The further thing I can suggest is to add ad extensions such as site links, phone number, uh, promotion deal, promo code, discount, something like this. Okay, this can help the ad gets more attractive, catchy, and this can increase the CTR. So increasing CTR means better quality score, and higher quality score means your cost will be reduced as well, and you get more clicks. So these are the few things which I have thought in the mind. Okay, optimizing your campaign is also the very important part. When I said SEAG, I also want you to have a more personalization, because in case if an ad is shown to 100 people, and if nobody clicks on it, then automatically the quality score of the ad is going to be go down. So in order to avoid it, improve your campaign structure, more relevancy, high and very relevant dedicated page. Okay, you can, if you connect with all of these dots, you can have sorted out this. And there is another way as well, and to get sorted with low quality score is to increase your bid. Okay, increasing your bid can be a temporary solution, but to permanently solve it, I suggest you to optimize your campaign, so that even if you are going to increase your bid, it's going to be a short strategy, and in the longer run, if you optimize the campaign combined with the increasing bid, that can help you in a longer way. So I hope it answers your question, and I hope it answers your question. So in case if you want me and my team services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach with us and get started with us. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.